Teacups, LikeALadyPlays here, and today I'm doing something else a little bit new. Now back in Halloween, I made dirt cups, and instead of doing like a full video on it, I did pictures. So we're gonna see how this works out. The ingredients I used was 2% milk, sour gummy worms, 1 box of Jell-O chocolate pudding, and 1 little canister of mini Oreos. I then whisked together 2 cups of cold milk with 1 package of the chocolate pudding mix for 2 minutes. And then I put them into little plastic cups, individual cups, for everybody to enjoy. I then put the mini Oreos into a plastic gallon-sized bag. I took a rolling pin to the bag and tried to squish all the Oreos into like a crumble so that I could put it on top of the pudding cups. For the final touches, I put the Oreos on top of the pudding, let that sit for a little bit, and right before serving, I put the sour gummy worms on top, and there you have it, dirt cups. I made them for Halloween this year, and they were really good. If you liked this video, let me know in the comment section below. And with your pinkies up, hit that like button and subscribe. And until next time, keep it classy. See ya!